In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money on Binance with a credit card. First, open the Binance app or go to the Binance website and log into your account. Before using a credit card, make sure your Binance account is verified because card payments usually require identity verification. Once you are logged in, go to the home screen and look for Buy Crypto. On the app, this option is usually easy to find on the main page. On the website, you may see Buy Crypto in the top menu. Tap or click Buy Crypto, then choose Credit or Debit Card. This option lets you buy crypto directly using your card. In many cases, Binance does not simply hold the money as a cash deposit. Instead, it uses your card payment to purchase the cryptocurrency you choose. Next, select the currency you want to pay with, such as dollars, euros, pounds, or your local currency if supported. Then enter the amount you want to spend. After that, choose the cryptocurrency you want to receive. For example, you can select USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, or another available coin. If your goal is to add money to Binance for trading, many users choose a stablecoin like USDT, but you can select the asset that works best for you. Now add your credit card details, enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information if Binance asks for it. Make sure the card is in your name and matches your Binance account details. Before confirming the payment, carefully review the order summary. Check the amount you are spending, the crypto you will receive, the exchange rate, and any fees. Card payments can sometimes have higher fees than bank transfers, so it is important to review everything before continuing. When everything looks correct, tap Confirm or Buy. Your bank may ask you to approve the payment using a one-time code, banking app confirmation, or 3D secure verification. After the payment is approved, the crypto will usually appear in your Binance Spot wallet. To check it, go to Wallets, open Spot, and search for the coin you purchased. And that's how you deposit money on Binance with a credit card. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.